This is the tutorial for the MWHEEL LW electric wheelchair. Before you turn on the MWHEEL LW wheelchair, make sure that both of the black clutches are pushed out, enabling the electric mode. The electric mode prevents the wheelchair from moving when being pushed. The user can then proceed to sit on the wheelchair and fasten the seat belt. Controls. Press the power button to turn on the device. The battery and speed indicator will light up. The MWHEEL LW has 5-speed adjustments. To increase the speed, press the right button. To decrease the speed, press the left button. Press the horn to alert pedestrians. To move forward, move the joystick forward. To move backwards, move the joystick backwards. In order to enable the manual mode, ensure that the power is off and both the black clutches are pushed downwards. Charging. Make sure that the device is off before charging it. There are two modes to charge the MWHEEL LW wheelchair. The first mode is to connect the charging cable to the socket below the controller. The second mode allows users to charge the battery directly. Then, switch on the power supply. A blue light indicator will appear on the power brick. A full charge will take between 3 to 5 hours. Take note, do not overcharge the device for more than 24 hours. Remove the charger when charging is completed. Detaching the battery. Press the battery release button and pull the battery up. Attaching the battery. Simply slot the battery in the compartment. Extra features. There is an extra compartment on the left side of the wheelchair to store your battery. The seat, back and leg cover of the wheelchair can be removed for cleaning. To remove them, simply pull the cover off from the sides. The controls can be shifted as well. Firstly, unscrew the screw. Then, remove the wire from the handle. The controller can be shifted based on the master hand. If you are left-handed, you can shift it to the other side. Folding. Firstly, lift the foot plates up. Then, lift the handles and push them to the back. Next, release the handle clutches and push the back seat down. Lastly, pull the seat up. Unfolding. Push the seat down. Then, lift the back seat up. Next, lift the handles up and push them down. Lastly, push the foot plates down. Before riding, do watch the PMA Safety video on our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below or head down to any of our Mobot outlets.